We're talking massive machines, folks. These aren't your everyday vehicles. These are behemoths designed to tackle the toughest jobs in the most challenging environments. Imagine standing next to one of these giants. You'd feel like a mere speck in comparison. The sheer size and power of these machines are enough to leave anyone in awe. The kind that make you feel like an ant in a lumberyard. From high above, the workers look like tiny dots scurrying around these colossal machines. It's a humbling sight, reminding us of the scale of operations required to harvest timber efficiently and sustainably. The coordination and precision needed to operate these machines are nothing short of extraordinary. These are the titans of timber, the true heavyweights of the logging industry. Each piece of equipment is a marvel of engineering, designed to perform specific tasks with incredible efficiency. From felling trees to processing logs, these machines handle it all with remarkable ease. The heavy hitters of the logging world, capable of transforming dense forests into manageable logs ready for transport. These machines are built to withstand the harshest conditions, from rugged terrains to extreme weather. Their durability and reliability are crucial for the success of logging operations. And today we're getting up close and personal. We'll delve into the inner workings of these mechanical giants, exploring how they function and the technology that powers them. We'll also see the skill and expertise required to operate them safely and efficiently. Get ready for a wild ride through the heart of the forest, where nature meets industry in a delicate balance. We'll journey deep into the timberlands, where the air is thick with the scent of pine, and the ground is carpeted with fallen leaves. It's a world where the raw beauty of nature coexists with the relentless drive of human ingenuity, where we'll witness the raw power and incredible skill that goes into turning trees into timber. From the initial felling of trees to the final processing of logs, every step is a testament to human innovation and hard work. The process is both fascinating and complex, requiring a blend of brute force and delicate precision. From the deafening roar of chainsaws slicing through timber with ease to the rhythmic hum of machinery working in unison, the soundscape of a logging site is a symphony of industrial noise, each sound telling a story of labor and progress. To the precise movements of giant cranes, lifting and maneuvering massive logs with the grace of a ballet dancer. These cranes are the unsung heroes of the logging world, their operators performing a delicate dance of balance and control. It's a sight to behold, watching these machines move with such precision and power. We'll see how these modern marvels work their magic. Each machine is a piece of the puzzle, working together to transform raw timber into usable material. The technology behind these machines is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the logging industry. But it's not all brute force out here. There's a level of finesse and expertise required that often goes unnoticed. The operators of these machines are highly skilled professionals, trained to handle the complexities of modern logging equipment. Their knowledge and experience are invaluable, ensuring that operations run smoothly and safely. We'll also meet the men and women behind the controls, the unsung heroes who keep the timber industry rolling. These individuals are the backbone of the logging world, their dedication and hard work making it all possible. We'll hear their stories, learn about their challenges, and gain a deeper appreciation for their contributions. The unsung heroes who keep the timber industry rolling. Their day-to-day tasks are demanding and often dangerous, requiring a combination of physical strength and mental acuity. Yet they approach their work with a sense of pride and purpose, knowing that their efforts are essential to the industry. So grab your hard hat, folks, because we're about to dive into the world of logging like never before. We'll explore the tools, techniques, and technologies that make modern logging possible. It's a journey that promises to be both educational and exhilarating. And let's get our hands dirty. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of the timberlands, gaining a newfound respect for the machines and the people who operate them. It's a world of hard work, innovation, and unyielding determination. So let's get started and see what it takes to be a titan of the timberlands. Our journey begins with a symphony of noise and sawdust. The logging site is alive with the hum of machinery and the sharp, rhythmic buzz of chainsaws. It's a place where nature's giants are brought down to size, where the raw power of man and machine converge in a dance of precision and brute force. Standing before a towering cedar, a logger, built like a grizzly bear, revs up his weapon of choice, a 36-inch chainsaw. This logger, with muscles honed from years of hard labor, is a master of his craft. His every movement is deliberate, every action a testament to his skill and experience. The chainsaw, gleaming in the sunlight, is an extension of his own strength, a tool that transforms his raw power into precise, controlled force. This ain't no backyard toy, folks. This is a professional-grade machine, designed to tackle the toughest jobs. Its engine roars to life with a sound that sends shivers down your spine, a reminder of the immense power it holds. The chainsaw's blade, sharp and relentless, is ready to slice through anything in its path. This beast is a force of nature, capable of slicing through thick trunks like butter. The chainsaw's teeth bite into the wood with a ferocity that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Each cut is smooth and precise, a testament to the machine's engineering and the logger's skill. The tree, once a towering giant, begins to yield to the relentless assault. The logger, his eyes protected by a visor, makes the first cut, a precise incision that determines the tree's fall. This initial cut is crucial, setting the stage for the rest of the operation. The logger's hands are steady, his focus unwavering. He knows that a single mistake could have catastrophic consequences, but his confidence is unshakable. With a deafening roar, the chainsaw bites deep, sending a shower of wood chips flying. The air is filled with the sound of the engine's growl and the sharp crack of wood giving way. It's a sensory overload, a chaotic symphony of sights and sounds that leaves you breathless. The logger moves with practiced ease, guiding the chainsaw with a deft touch that belies the machine's raw power. The air is thick with the sweet smell of cedar, a potent reminder of the power we're witnessing. This scent, rich and earthy, is a testament to the tree's age and strength. It's a smell that lingers, a reminder of the life that once stood tall and proud. As the tree begins to fall, there's a moment of silence, a brief pause before the final crash. It's a moment of respect, a nod to the mighty cedar that has given its life to the logger's skill and the chainsaw's power. Felling a tree is only the first step. Now comes the delicate dance of maneuvering these timber titans onto the back of a logging truck. This is where the real skill comes in. One wrong move, and these massive logs could turn into battering rams. Enter the skidder, a beast of a machine with massive tires and a grappling claw that could crush a car. The operator, with nerves of steel, deftly maneuvers the skidder, dragging the logs through the forest with surprising grace. It's like watching a ballet, only instead of tutus and tights, we've got steel cables and diesel engines. Now, let's talk efficiency. In the world of forestry and logging, efficiency isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Every step, every action, every machine is designed to maximize output while minimizing waste. This is where the magic happens, where raw nature is transformed into usable materials, and where every piece of wood, no matter how small, finds its purpose. Remember all those branches and scraps left behind after a tree is felled? These remnants, often seen as mere debris, are actually a treasure trove of potential. In the past, they might have been left to rot or burned away, contributing to waste and environmental degradation. But today, with advancements in technology and a growing awareness of sustainability, these scraps are given a new lease on life. Well, they don't go to waste. Instead, they are transformed into something incredibly valuable. This process of recycling wood waste not only reduces the environmental footprint of logging operations but also provides a steady supply of materials for various industries. From gardening to construction, these wood chips and mulch play a crucial role in multiple sectors. That's where the Vermeer WC25XL wood chipper comes in, a hungry beast that devours wood waste and turns it into valuable mulch. This machine is not just a tool, it's a game changer. With its robust design and powerful capabilities, the Vermeer WC25XL ensures that no piece of wood goes unused. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to create solutions that benefit both industry and the environment. This machine is a marvel of engineering with a powerful engine and a massive cutting drum that can handle branches up to 12 inches thick. Imagine the force and precision required to break down such large pieces of wood into uniform chips. The cutting drum, with its sharp blades and relentless motion, works tirelessly to ensure that every branch is processed efficiently. The operator, perched high above the action, feeds the machine with a steady hand, ensuring a constant flow of wood chips. This role requires skill and attention to detail, as the operator must balance speed with safety. Each branch is carefully guided into the chipper, where it's quickly transformed into mulch. It's a dance of man and machine, working in harmony to achieve a common goal. It's like watching a giant food processor, only instead of carrots and celery, we've got branches and bark. The comparison might seem whimsical, but it highlights the efficiency and effectiveness of the process. Just as a food processor breaks down ingredients into manageable pieces, the wood chipper reduces large branches into uniform chips, ready for use in various applications. This transformation is a crucial step in the journey from forest to finished product, showcasing the importance of every stage in the process. The journey of wood from the forest to its final form is a complex and fascinating one. It begins with the careful selection and felling of trees, followed by the transportation of logs to mills and processing facilities. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure maximum efficiency and minimal waste. The wood chipper plays a vital role in this journey, turning what was once considered waste into valuable resources. The end products of this process are diverse and incredibly useful. Wood chips and mulch find their way into gardens where they help retain moisture and suppress weeds. They are used in playgrounds, providing a safe and soft surface for children to play on. In construction, they serve as a base material for various projects. The versatility of these products underscores the importance of efficient wood processing and recycling. Beyond the immediate benefits, efficient wood processing and recycling contribute to broader environmental goals. By reducing waste and making the most of every piece of wood, we lessen the impact of logging on forests and ecosystems. Sustainable logging practices combined with advanced machinery like the Vermeer WC25XL ensure that our forests can continue to thrive for generations to come. It's a delicate balance of use and conservation, one that requires constant innovation and commitment. The Vermeer WC25XL wood chipper stands as a symbol of this balance. It's a powerful reminder that with the right tools and practices, we can achieve both progress and sustainability. As we continue to chip away at the challenges of modern forestry, machines like the Vermeer WC25XL will lead the way, turning waste into wealth and ensuring a greener future for all. So the next time you see a pile of wood chips or a bag of mulch, remember the journey it took to get there. From the forest floor to your garden, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to making the most of our natural resources. It's a story of transformation, efficiency, and sustainability, one chip at a time. Sometimes even the mightiest trees leave behind stubborn reminders of their presence, massive stumps that refuse to budge. That's where the Grove Crane comes in, a vintage machine with the strength of 1,000 men. This mechanical behemoth can lift up to 50 tons, making light work of even the most stubborn stumps. The operator, with the precision of a surgeon, maneuvers the crane's massive arm, gently lifting the stump from the ground. It's a delicate operation, but the Grove Crane makes it look easy.